I bet you. What? Here,
There.
wait a second.
Okay, now introducing review Swedish fish. It's a fat-free food and soft and chewy candy. It's got red 40 and carnauba wax. 1% of your daily value of sodium. And it's made in Canada, eh? You know, they say eh in Canada.
Eh?
Yeah, eh. And that's the land of maple syrup.
Easy opening.
Land of maple phloem. Land of maple phloem. Well, aren't you going to show what color that is? That's red, right? Announce it. Say, this is a red piece, and it tastes like... No, but you can't see it, because you're so far away.
They're all red, aren't
It's a red piece, and it's shaped like a fish, and it tastes like what?
Just like... nastiness, I guess. Oh my god. It tastes like... What is it? Rating. It tastes like gross candy. Like the one that's like not the good sweet. It's like bland, but they try to make it taste good, but it doesn't.
Bland, okay.
It tastes like
It's the bland
sugar.
kind of sweet. It's fake sugar.
What
Oh!
sugar tastes like?
Okay, does it have fake sugar? Is that what's in the
No.
ingredients? So we're testing your ability to flavor up the
Invert
taste.
sugar. I'm more or less.
Invert sugar. That means it's upside down sugar. You invert the sugar and it goes like this.
Whatever. I had a rating. It's like brown.
It tastes like brown.
Brown? It tastes...
Okay, it's not vibrant, okay? It's not giving you, you're not enthusiastic. What's your final score?
It tastes like maple syrup. That's what it tastes like.
Oh, because it's Canadian?
What? No, this
Canada's got the maple leaf.
yeah, stop commenting that. Yeah.
I love to, though. You know, I'm trying to teach you something.
Okay,
Be treat-wise.
what's the rating?
What? What's the rating?
4.
Wow.
No.
Even less than Lifesaver.
Yeah. That's like
I didn't even make it halfway. Okay, what's your next review? On our next review.
3 Musketeers.
And show that.
Minis.
On the next review,